Hello, welcome to YouTube Tuesday. My name is Doug Backman, and I work at the University of Central Florida in the Office of Research and Commercialization, and I serve as a faculty member in UCF's Master in Research Administration program. I want to talk with you today about project certification. Implementation of the Uniform Guidance eliminated examples of acceptable methods for payroll distributions, along with their payroll activity reporting requirements, time and effort reports. As a result, the government is no longer specifying the types of payroll methods and activity payroll reports institutions must use to support their payroll distributions. Rather, institutions must now implement appropriate internal controls to validate salary and wage charges. Project certification supports the distribution of salary and wages on a project basis rather than on an individual employee basis. A designated individual, such as the PI, is responsible for validating the payroll cost assignments on a project basis. For this reason, the volume of employee time and effort certification reports and the administrative time required by institutional staff to manage employee certification documents is reduced. Now, the Uniform Guidance outlines 4 key document standards for any payroll distribution system. The first is that salaries and wages must accurately reflect the work performed, and this must be supported by a system of internal controls that assures the charges are accurate, they're allowable, and they're properly allocated to the project. Now, charges also need to be incorporated into the institution's official records, and charges must reasonably reflect the total sponsored activity. Number 2, the documented salary and wage charges must encompass all of the employee's assignment, or 1.0 full-time equivalency. Number 3, significant changes in the employee's work activity must be entered into the institution's records, that is, changes in sponsored project assignments and or payroll cost transfers. Number 4, the institution must have an internal control system to review salary and wage charges after they incurred based on the project's proposed budget estimates. Now, if salary and wage charges are based on budget estimates before the services are performed, which most of us do, the institution must have a system of controls to review after the fact salary and wage charges. Salary and wage activity records can be expressed as a percentage distribution of total activities. Please review Section 200.430 titled Compensation, Personal Services in the Uniform Guidance for detailed information on standards for documenting personal expenses. Thank you for your time. Make sure to check out our additional videos at the NCURA YouTube channel.